and we are here to quickly check on or react to the videos that are trending online. And some of you have seen those things. These are military Nigerian army invading different lands as they have planned. They want to bring, war to our people. So we are not here to promote violence or to preach violence, but we are here to create awareness for people of the world and international community to understand what veterans are going through. And this is not to pick fights on anybody, but to make sure that the needful, that the need is being done, that our people actually know what is going on in their land. So yes, I made it clear that some of you have seen these videos, but we are going to react on it. Okay, many videos are trending today about the activities of Nigerian army in different lands, and like I said, this is just one out of many videos, and we are not going to allow the audio to play out, reason because of the copyright and strike and what have you. So the video is about, I think this video is yesterday or 2 days ago. Okay, some are today. Like there's a result of their presence in our land that the PM shared, just a few seconds of them, and it's on his X. I'm not going to play that here, okay, because it has to do with some of the issues that are against the policy of the platform. So we have to obey the platform guidelines. So not everything you are going to see here, but we're going to try our best to make sure that those things, most of them are being shown to you here. So as you can see, these are armor tanks in villages in different land. They are vowed to take away our just the little rights that our people still have, a right to go out and to be human. They are here to do the unthinkable. Like always, every now and then, this is what we get from them, right? So please, excuse me, just bear with me. Okay, so this one is loading. Guys, I expect you to like the video as well. Like the video because we are here to give a kind of recap of what is going on and something that people don't understand, especially the activities of Nigerian army in different lands. And we are not going, like I said, that I'm trying to select some of the videos, not all. And I don't know why this one is loading and loading and loading. Let's see. So just pay attention, when the video starts, so you see the armor tank moving slowly. And if you are to pay attention to, if I'm to allow the video to play, you will see many other things like sound of catapults and all that. So, which is against the platform. Since this one is still loading, let me move to another one. Okay. Stay in different land. Nobody is reporting that. No channels TV, not even Arise, not even the so-called media warrior of governments that always have one or two things to say against indigenous people. So what you are seeing here is, very shocking, right? Anyway, there are many of them. This one the same. As you can see here, let's wait until you see their presence. Let me see if I can drag it a while. Okay, this one is about the sound because I off the sound. It's a sound of catapults. So The war they promised is here, and some of our people are still okay. Where is the war? You say there's war. Where is it? We cannot see this. We cannot see that. What you don't know is bigger than you. But you can see them replying and trying to. So if there's nothing going on, like some of you claim, how come Nigerian government are busy pushing tanks in different land, and in some cases, those tanks are not going to come back happy. Okay, and you can see here, just pay attention. You see, you can see the armor tank, right, moving. So this is just a warning and at the same time a tribute, because in warning in case that because warning because of the people, the Afghan government in Israel, what they said and why they're doing what they're doing. So that is the information. Not just this, we're going to touch another thing as well. What we are seeing here is what we are going to react as well. Part of the thing that brought me here. So let me flip the camera and let's talk about it. Okay, so when PM said that and the war is going on in our places in different lands, some of us are in doubt. Some of us think that it is just a mere talk, that is just trying to create fear. Even when Masagan was talking about the same thing, people said the same thing. So the question is, how long are you going to wait? For how long are they going to buy our people for you to know that it is true, that this is what is going on in our land? So we have Chidubem. Chidubem is, you are the first person, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, you are not. Kai report. Okay, you are. Okay. You are the first person. You said that the truth must be spoken. And Excellence Wachuku is here. Hi there, brother. Kai report, thank you. And Political Bruhaha is here. He said, Dalo, thank you. And Chris M said, good evening, brother. Chris M also went further and said, please like this program, that it is the last you do for the good work Brother Kai is doing. Thank you and God bless you. Thank you so much. Thank you. That's nice of you, Chris. Nice one. Thank you. We cannot force people to like. So I am trying to avoid, always begging for that. Anybody that love you will love you. People that will like will like. That is my belief. So we have seen this in the past, and we are still seeing it again. That people will find a way to play things down as if it doesn't matter, but it does. It matters a lot. I would have loved to share some of the information that will make you to see, but not here. If I do it, I will have the channel. That means I'm putting the channel in a very, very, very danger. So I don't want that. Some of the things that is going on, where you see the real results of this Nigerian army invading the Biafran land, thinking that this is the best way to control things. I don't know who is giving them the advice, but time will tell. So the corrupt system of Nigeria is second to none. Second to none. And there's a rumor that Akpabio, the Senate president, had an issue. They think he went to, I think maybe, I don't know how they got to see him in a nightclub and all that. A lot of scandal against him, and he's trying to cover his shame. Most of them think that they have monopoly of lie and committing one or two things evil. Everybody's making fun of him, and here is one of it. And let me just share it before we move to another thing important. This is just for just for laugh only, nothing serious.
Trillion, 908 billion, 844 billion, 1 trillion.
Right.
This money is too much for me.
So this man don't even know different which one comes first. Is it trillion or billion or 100 million? He's all over the place.
1 trillion. I hope I got the measure. 911 billion.
This kind of money will be in one person account. This Nigeria, the kind of money that nobody can count it.
46 naira. 1 trillion. 900.
You see, and
44 billion.
oh my God, the number one corrupt agency in all this thing is just hold on. The number one corrupt agency in all this thing is these people that are senators, House of Reps, all of them, Nigerian politicians. They are the worst thing you can ever come in contact with. Now listen to this person that he shared his own side of story, like what he know his encounter with the Nigerian politicians. Just pay attention.
Let me just explain. I
Start from the beginning.
Dr. Zoe. This is a Monday morning in Canada. I normally don't start work early Mondays, but I just came to do a few things, and I got a call from someone from Nigeria, and I don't think Nigerian politicians will make it.
Okay.
Nigerian politicians, they will not make heaven. They cannot make it. And let me just explain. I just sometimes I say things just to leave my mind. And I wanted to have a good week this week. You called me that I know your friend got into government and they gave you an appointment as a federal something. I don't really know. And you came. You called me this morning. Things are going okay. Good for you. You said you want to buy another house in Canada because you saw my post last weekend with a real talk. So I should help you connect and get a house here again.
Okay.
According to you, you've bought 3 houses already. You just want to buy the 4th one for your 4 children. Just want to settle them. And you don't know how this government, whether it will last or not, whether Baba Agustino, said all that. And I was listening. He told me also that you don't do mortgage, you just buy cash. You bought 3 already, you want to buy the 4th one. And I was listening. I should help you to buy. My brother, we can't make heaven. I know. Your kids are here, that kids are grown. I knew you way back from Nigeria. They're probably going to be listening and watching this video too. And your wife too. What you got. I told you, I said to you that I think Nigeria is difficult now because the youths want to demonstrate end of this month. There's a hardship, gas, petrol is expensive, food is expensive. He said, we in diaspora always think Nigeria is bad, and it's not as bad as we think. My brother, over 100 million Nigerians have camera phone. Social media, we see these things now. We see things are bad. We feel it. We have people back home too.
Exactly.
It's not diaspora thing, and you have the mind. How long this government don't deserve? You don't have the mind. You don't buy 3 houses, or you don't buy the 4th one because you're not sure how long Baba day. I cannot. I don't see the pathway that you will make heaven. I'm telling you. And you guys have to listen. Don't do what you're going to do, and the people after you will suffer. Listen. I know you're not a president. I know that one. And you're not a governor. I can give you some federal post. Nigeria dry. Look at people. Poverty. Young girls are in prostitution. Yahoo crime everywhere because of people like you. But like I tell you, that phone, many quarter. Because I don't want you to call me again. So that when God will send in punishment to you, he will not say that Dr. Zo overheard or that I connected you. to go, Henry's on my page, can go to him directly. No, I won't give you any contact. I'm telling you, I don't want to deal with you. It's your hardness. And like I say, I can't see a pathway through which you can make heaven. You cannot make heaven. You're like your politicians, you guys are too mean. Yeah, okay, assuming you're still the one that will do just you and your family, because you're still the one that will do generations up and leave the other people in swallow.
Okay.
That's wrong. I don't want to, as I said, this is Monday morning. I don't want to start the week. Don't call me again, please, I'm begging you. Go and look for where you're going to dump your money. I don't want to have anything to do with it. Because the prayer, what people they pray for you for that country, my brother, you know, people better prayer. Politicians, you guys have to think twice. And for the youth that are demonstrating, I'm with you guys in spirit. You guys should do protest. It's suffer too much. I'm saying it. If I come back to Nigeria, they will hold me at the airport. Listen, I'm a Canadian. I get my Canadian ballot now. You will explain to Canada what happened to their Peking. I will say it. You guys will not make heaven, Nigerian president. You guys are too mean, too greedy. Chop small. Go and fix the country. You know it. Say they always diaspora people, they always think Nigeria is bad. No, we didn't see it. We see everything.
You see the mindset of these politicians. I allow you to play this far because I want you to hear it from this man that this person that he's talking about could be his friend. He could be a classmate, something like that, but he don't want to expose the person in particular. 99% of them, if not all, are the same. They believe that your cry doesn't really matter because whether you cry or not, they will still do what they want to do. You cannot stop them because they don't have any human feelings. They don't have any empathy whatsoever. And that is a very, very dangerous act. They don't care. They're not afraid of whatever you plan, or they don't believe that. And let's see. Just a moment. Okay. This is just this is one of the targets, and we know that Tinubu and his gang, excuse me, we know that Tinubu and his group are not, they don't care about what you care. They have their own agenda and their mission. He believes that he can buy anything, he can sabotage anything that is sabotageable. Anything he wants to do, he believes he can do it. That somebody that's just a man that was campaigning, a Muslim man that was campaigning, and he decided to recruit people, fake bishop, fake pastors. We saw the video, right? Let me see if I still have that there. If I save the one that PM shared or not. I believe I do. Let's. No. They did not share this. Okay. While searching for that, let me share this with us. Okay. No, just a moment, because I don't want to mix the whole thing. Now, this is Tinubu. Like I said, he paid people, he recruited people during the time when he was campaigning for president and whatever. He pays people to act as if they are bishop and reverends and pastors and all that, right? If you can recall. Then that one was leaked. They sweep that under the carpet. Nobody's talking about it now. No. Now, the same person is now paying a youth in the north against the protest from masses. They said they want to protest and all that. So they don't feel comfortable with that. That is why he decided to recruit people from the north to do the dirty job for him. Then you ask yourself, what is his intention? What is intention? Does it mean that he don't want anything genuine anymore in Nigeria or something like that? Because for him to have the mindset of paying people now to protest against protesters is very, very bad. But are we to blame him? No, because he has succeeded in making sure that he caged everything, including those that are supposed to talk that don't talk anymore. I don't know why. Anyway, let me not waste much of your time and let me just play this. Abra the Best is here, and Alozie Ambrose. Okay, sorry, I'm only using this for. I'm only checking the comment on phone. The same phone that I'm using actually is the same phone I am using. So Tinubu and all the people that the so-called his cabinet, if I may use the word, or even those that had the opportunity to serve Nigeria or being elected. This is their first time in public office as a politician. All of them are the same thing with Tinubu. All of them are the same thing with Tinubu. You cannot take it away. I'm trying to look for the video, that picture of him, his bishop, Tinubu bishop and the priest. Just give me a moment. Let me get so that it's not bad as if I'm saying, okay, here we go. Look at this. For some of you, maybe you have forgotten this. These people we are seeing here, it's not just one, it's not two. You can see the numbers. If the fake Jews, that he's so desperate that he wants to make it look like everybody is in support of him. Do you understand that? So, and that is why Tinubu they play not with my brother. So somebody that have that kind of mindset, that feel that best thing to do is to recruit people to confuse people or to convince people that he's doing good, that people love him so much. That's what he's doing. Now, let me share with you a politician, House of Representative, what he said about the coming their coming protest. They are scared of it. Very, very scared of it. I don't know why. Now, hear what the suggestion of this man will tell you the current situation of Nigeria and the mindset of those who say they're leading. Just a moment.
Mr. Speaker, if we allow this protest to take place or escalate, Mr. Speaker, we don't know where it's.
If you allow this protest, wait.
If we allow this protest to take place or escalate, Mr. Speaker, we don't know where it stops.
Okay.
Mr. Speaker, just now we cut our salaries. Mr. Speaker, I want to appeal to executive to do so. From Mr. President to Vice President to ministers to chief executive officers of FDS and parastatals. Let's all of us cut our salaries, put the money in government copper.
Okay.
Provide short-term solutions to this problem, Mr. Speaker. People are hungry outside, Mr. Speaker. Even if it warrants to slash the cost of petroleum, reverse back the hike of electricity, Mr. Speaker. Provide food, Mr. Speaker, for the people. If we can be able to provide this short-term plans, Mr. Speaker, I believe these young Nigerians will be ready to surrender and decline this plan.
That giving them food, not you, your brother. Giving them food will make them to surrender and decline this protest. That he preferred to, cut off his salary, at least some percentage. They will not take it away and buy some things to feed the masses. Temporal solution, he said. Short term. Exactly. Oh, I read the verse. You are very observant. Short term solution. So because of what? They want to lay hands on anything to avoid this he's scared of everything, to be honest. He's very, very scared. Now let's hear Tinubu that are making sure, working hard to make sure that they don't protest in their so-called one country. Here is him calling for protest against Jonathan. Just pay attention. This is during Jonathan.
Money will forget the other one. That is what they are doing. With your money. Not enough that they are stealing from our children tomorrow. For lack of expenditure in education. They are still embezzling the retirement benefit of hardworking Nigerians, including our grandfathers. They are stealing the pot, the treasury, not even leaving some coins for us to work with. Let them be out. Out now.
He asked them to out now to protest. But today, he's doing everything to make sure that he frustrates the protest plan by Nigerians. Okay? A lot is going on in the system. Even in the security department, in judiciary, in executive, a lot is going on. Now, hear the voice of this soldier. Okay? Just pay attention. Let's play this.
I never serve.
Wait.
Now back to serve Nigerian army. I'm from Rivers State. I don't suffer. I joined army 2013. Since that 2013, I did Northeast. No part of Northeast go where I never serve. I don't serve army with my heart faithful and everything. He get one of our CEO, our commander. His name na I.A. Osabu. That is Ibrahim Abdullahi Osabu. Now he be name from Nasarawa. This man no one use any person will be Christian. No one use eye or ear hear anything where you do. How can a commander will become the one exhibiting, instigating religion inside army where would they work? I can categorically tell you, say, since I pass out from depot, since my uniform where they give me, where they give us when we train, pass out, army never issue me uniform again. I go northeast, work front to come back. As I come back, they withdraw me from our operation unit, come back to mother unit as in rear unit. You know, say for operation unit, now desert they use there. So as I come back from northeast, come unit. Now unit now, they say now desert unit they wear. And me, I get green. I don't get desert because the desert where I wear is no longer presentable because I use them for operation grant. The green I ain't presentable because na new one I never use them since green they know they use them for northeast. As I come back, I come wear that green. And green, army never banned green. Army no banned green. As I wear the green, this man, this is our CEO, I no just know. He see me. We are green. He asked me when we are green. I thought I said, sir, this I don't have desert. The only green I get. And then they just withdraw me from operation. So with time, I go buy the desert since they no go issue me. So now so the man one master warrant officer there with one staff. They are saying they charge me. Charge me for waiting for putting on green. And this green when I wear, no beside me don't ban them. Say me they charge me. I don't get money. So because of that, people say the people with the grant say make me avoid this man. Say this man no get joy,
the man no since they start to get commander where they command that unit, say they never get this kind of commander. You understand? Since make me meet our Otili Corporal, make Otili Corporal send me even a checkpoint where they take everybody now they are the unit. All of us they find small things. You want buy boots, you want buy uniform and all that thing. So they see the reason why soldiers are collecting money on checkpoint is because of all of these things. Since they are not giving them no boots, no issuing of boots, no issuing of any army kit, no issuing of uniform. So soldier me personally I can't go and thief. So only that place I get money. And besides, this man is pressurizing me because he's telling who they say uniform. So not knowing that because of who they say uniform, that's when they pressurize me for me to buy that uniform. So me I don't notice. Say now in business, you get business when they sell desert people in uniform. So that's when they pressurize me, make I buy uniform. So now I can't go to the checkpoint. The money we get for the checkpoint for first day and second day, I use and go deposit for uniform. When they say uniform, 22,000 naira. Now they say uniform. Uniform where they say 15,000, 12,000. Now the man, they sell am 22,000 naira for us. I don't get money. And from that checkpoint, I try get small money where I can go deposit for that uniform. Since that time, this man start following me. I carry my last corporal to get corporal. I carry my last corporal for complete 6 years, going to 7 years to get corporal. I needed to go on course. This man denied me of going on course. I go operation, 6 months operation where I supposed to get 46,500 naira for 6 months. Just to help myself, either arrange myself, buy uniform, buy boot and all that thing. He withdraw me back from that operation. I went in the presence of the soldiers, more than 200 soldiers that stood on that door by that day. I stood and I begged this man. Not knowing that his intention is to remove my last corporal.
Okay.
I applied course, this man refused to give me course. I applied pass, he refused to give me pass. After that day of the door, that I begged him, this man, in the presence of soldier, tell me, say, he can never forgive me because I'm a Christian. I told this man,
Hey.
3 months to get my corporal. I carry last corporal for 6 years, going to 7 years. Just 4 months, 3 months, 4 months to get the corporal. This man removed my last corporal. That one no do it. After the round to me, he still post me. Me where they not serve 10 years for Northeast, where they find way to come up for Northeast. He still post me again. Go back to for area again. So the frustration is too much. I get wife, I get picking, one baby, while they do.
So the story is on and on. Can go on, and another person will still say the same thing. So the question is it only this man with having this kind of a witness, or witnessing this kind of thing, this acts that this Nigerian army is talking about here? Not only him, many other people face the same thing. But the annoying part is that when you ask them, okay, why don't you rethink and do this and do that, support your people, they'll have something else to say. I may never seen anything yet. If you are to act based on just the way they behave, many things will happen. But like I said, a lot is going on in Nigeria. Here is baby soldiers. This is what I don't know how come. I don't know how come. I don't know how come things are the way it is today about these people. I'm trying not to play the song, but let's pause it and we can play the video. Just pay attention to see the size of I don't know what is going on, to be honest with you. Very young little children in Nigerian army. What does that tell you? What does that tell you? My goodness. You see the child abuse? Okay, so that is a new guys in Nigerian army. I'm not laughing at Nigerian army. I'm just laughing at the fact that they among it doesn't mean that people are not picking the form any longer. Maybe because for them to have these children as army or in army is is a very very shocking video to see. Very, very disturbing. Anyway, guys, like I said, we are not going to waste much time on this broadcast. So permit me to end it now, and we are going to talk about other things later. I have things that, but before that, let me share this with you. Just one thing, okay? And I have shown to you. I have said in this video that Tinubu. That's what they're saying. Let me read the post for you from Sahara Reporter that he is paying people. Tinubu government hires PS not a group to destabilize and by governance protests. Okay, protests in Abuja. That's what they're saying, and not only in Abuja, but the problem is that is it gonna be everybody, or are they going to turn it as tribal issue? So that's another one thing you need to watch out for. But like I said, we are going to end it now. Thank you so much for your time. Let's cut it now, please. Okay. Not I have other things to share with you, but I'm just trying to watch the time, and I don't want to, abandon what I suppose other things that I'm supposed to do just on one thing. I hope you understand what I'm saying. So PM also shared this. We call on Biafran to stand strong. Breaking Nigerian news: the price of beans, tomato, and yam, potato, rise by over 25 percent in just 1 year. Wow. Okay, please tell me what you think about what it's got so far, and see you again. God bless you all that are commenting. God bless you all that have subscribed, and I appreciate you so much. Take care and bye bye for now.